Want to know how much data you've used on Red Pocket? There are several convenient ways to check. First, the Red Pocket app provides real-time data tracking. Simply log in, and the Data Usage tab shows your current usage, plan limits, and even breakdowns by app. The app displays real-time usage against your plan limit. If you prefer a quick check without the app, dial 777 from your Red Pocket phone. You'll receive an instant SMS message with your current data usage, remaining data, and plan expiration. Lastly, you can log into your account on the Red Pocket website. The My Account section provides detailed reports and historical data. Choose the method that best suits you for easy and instant access to your data usage information. Now that you know how to check your data, let's talk about managing it. Be sure to set up data usage alerts in the Red Pocket app to get notified when you reach certain thresholds, like 80% of your data limit. This helps avoid overages and potential throttling. Understand your plan cycle, which typically starts on your activation date. Keep an eye on which apps consume the most data. You can often find this information in the app's usage breakdown. Also, remember that Red Pocket offers data rollover on select plans up to 2 gigabytes, so make sure your SIM card is inserted correctly for accurate tracking. Finally, keep an eye on potential app bugs. But overall, Red Pocket's user-centric approach makes managing your prepaid data simple and cost-effective. For example, a case study in 2024 shows how a user on a road trip was able to avoid a $10 overage fee by using the app's real-time alert features.